In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust table row heights in Canva. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily make your tables in Canva look just the way you want them. First things first, head over to your Canva document. You're probably already familiar with opening a document in Canva, but just in case, go ahead and log into your Canva account and navigate to the document you want to modify. If you're starting from scratch, you can always create a new document and insert a table to practice these steps. Now that you've got your document open with a table in it, let's explore two simple methods to adjust the heights of your table's rows. The first method involves adjusting the font size. Select the table by clicking on it. You'll see different formatting options pop up above your canvas. When you increase the font size, you'll notice the row height automatically increases to accommodate the larger text size. This method is quite handy if your primary goal is to make the text more readable, as it simultaneously increases row height while better accentuating your text. For the second method, you don't need to worry about the font size at all. Instead, hover your mouse over the lines that separate the rows of your table. When you do this, your cursor will change to a double-sided arrow indicating that you can drag the line. Click and drag the line up or down to manually adjust the row height to your preference. This approach is useful for more precise control over the height, especially when you need to create a uniform look or when aligning content that doesn't rely solely on text size. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Both methods are pretty forgiving. You can easily undo any changes by using the undo button located at the top of the screen or by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This way, you can experiment and find just the right row height without the fear of irreversible changes. Once you're happy with how the rows look, you're done. You can continue to customize other aspects of your table or document as needed. And remember, customizing tables to fit the context of your design not only improves the aesthetics, but also enhances the functionality and readability of your document. That's all for today's tutorial. It's amazing how these small adjustments can have such a significant impact on your design projects. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or check out more Canva tutorials on our channel. Until next time, happy designing!